Mindfulness is awareness without criticism or judgment. Life seems to be moving faster and faster every year. By mindful living, this allows me to pause, to be present in the moment, and to enjoy my life. Life can be very busy with places to go, people to see, things to do, dreams to achieve, but being busy doesn't always mean being fulfilled. For me, mindful living is about living in awareness so that I can make conscious choices regarding my life. I am intentional with my time, energy, and money, making choices that align with my values, so as I move along my path, I'm living an authentic life. I'm sharing 5 ways where mindful living has shaped my life that brings me more clarity, purpose, and joy. I hope that these tips can also bring you as much joy as they have brought me. The times in my life when I have felt most lost are the times when I was disconnected from my authentic self. I was living a life trying to fulfill other people's and society's expectations of me. And living for other people's expectations left me feeling very discouraged and empty. To find clarity, I learned how to be mindful of my authentic self by using self-inquiry, because I'm always evolving and growing, and my life is constantly changing. I revisit these questions at least once a week. I journal the following questions and I write the first thing that comes to mind, and I don't try to alter or judge whatever comes to me, because that is my authentic spirit and I want to give it a voice. What do I value most? What makes me smile? How do I want to feel? What kind of person do I want to be? What does my ideal life look like? Becoming aware of my actions and finding out why I'm doing these actions, if they are aligned with my authentic self and my values, so that I am shaping and creating the life that I want. My choices today shape my future. With each choice I make, I am carving out my future reality. I want to be aware of my actions and acknowledge how my choices impact me, from where I spend my time, how I spend my money and energy, are all choices that will impact my future. A simple trick that I use to be aware of my actions are sticky notes. I write 2 simple sentences on the sticky notes. Why am I doing this action? How is this shaping my future? And then I put the sticky notes around my house, everywhere that I can see them. My fridge, computer, bathroom mirror, desk. Every time I look at the sticky note, it reminds me to be aware of my actions and to choose actions that are getting me closer to the kind of person I want to be, to the life I want to live, and to always live in alignment with my values. It's incredibly easy for me to get lost in the doing of life. And when I get caught up in the doing, I miss and lose all of the little things that make life so wonderful. I try to be present in the moment as I move through my day. Our minds love living in the past and living in the future. Have you ever been in the shower, but your mind is not in the shower? It's either caught up in your future day at work or worried about a conversation you had last week, hoping it would have gone better. I focus on being fully present in the moment, no matter how mundane it may be. When I'm eating, I notice the taste, smell, and texture of my food. I notice the warmth of the sun on my face and the breeze on my skin on my walks. I feel the warmth of my husband's hand when he holds mine. Life is incredibly valuable, and I don't want to miss out on any of it because I was mentally stuck in the past or worrying about the future. When I am fully present is when I get to experience the most out of life. We all have a gift of finding our true north. It's that little voice that whispers to us and guides us along our path. When I am making a difficult decision or I'm feeling lost and not centered, these are the times when I tune in to my inner voice. By creating space in my life to be silent so that I can tune in is a gift I give myself. Meditation quiets my mind so that I hear the whisper of my authentic spirit. I ask a question of something I'm looking for the answer for, and then I become still and quiet, waiting to hear my authentic self guide me. My intuition has never led me astray. It's only when I question myself due to fear or I follow my ego, that's when I get off track. When I connect to nature is when I'm truly at peace. Nature tends to soothe my soul. It's the connectiveness that makes me feel whole. A mindfulness activity that I love to do is to observe animals and nature, if only for a few minutes. Any animal is fascinating to watch. Being aware of the universal oneness of all living things has a calming effect. It makes me feel like I'm not alone. I'm reminded that I'm part of everything and everyone around me. What are some of the things that you do to stay connected, to live mindfully and intentionally, staying on your path and listening to your authentic spirit? Please leave some comments and share with all of us. I would love to hear them. Thank you so much for watching today. I really hope you enjoy this video, and I hope that you get as much joy from these 5 helpful tips as I have had in my life. If you like this video, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel grow, so thank you. And maybe check out some of these other videos around me on Mindful Living. Have a beautiful day.